Hi, this is Travis from RhinoFit. I'm going to show you how you can set up your gym within 6.5 minutes here at RhinoFit. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to sign up for a free 30-day trial. No credit cards are required, and you get instant access. So you just type in your gym information and click on Join Us. There we go. We're already inside now. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up classes. I'm going to set up a CrossFit class that runs Monday to Friday. This is a pretty easy to use system. I'm just going to pick my time here and set it for 10 a.m. I'm going to add another class time for CrossFit. I'm going to make it a little later. I'm going to make it for 7 p.m. Also Monday to Friday. And then I'm going to add a weekend class. I'm going to make this one a little earlier at 9 a.m. Alright, I got classes set up. That was pretty easy. You can see now on your calendar that the classes are all sort of set up here. It's all good to go. So I'm going to return to the home screen and look at the gym setup checklist. And I'm going to add some memberships next. First membership I'm going to add is going to be called Gold. It's going to be $150. It's going to be billed monthly. And it's going to be unlimited classes. So students can attend as many classes as they want. The next one's going to be called Silver. It's going to be $100 a month. And it's going to be limited to 3 classes per week. And I'm just going to click Bill Monthly here. And then finally I'm going to add a cheaper one, Bronze, $75 a month. It's going to be limited to 1 class per week. There we go. We got 3 different memberships now set up, and we're doing pretty well now. So I'm going to go back to the checklist, and I'm going to add a merchant account. And a merchant account is going to allow me to process payments with credit cards and bank transactions. If you don't already have one, we highly recommend that you fill out an application with GMS, Golf Management Systems. They're a preferred merchant account provider and a partner of ours. So I'm going to select GMS here. Usually when you fill out the application, it takes 2 to 3 business days to turn around and get your merchant account set up. They have excellent rates and they have excellent customer service, so we highly recommend them. I'm going to put in some test data here to give you an idea of how this works. And now we have our merchant account set up. So I'm going to go back to the checklist. The next thing on the checklist is going to be adding users. So I'm going to have my first student. His name is going to be Charles Barkley. I'm going to type in his email address and his name and his address. And you'll notice here too that we've got a cool little feature where the postal code will pre-fill in for you. And then we get his phone number. And select a birthday. And we're going to save. So now we have our first student in the system. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to give Charles here a membership. Remember how we configured gold and silver and bronze before? Now we're going to set Charles up with one of those memberships. So we're going to go to his profile page and click Add Membership. I'm going to give him gold. It's going to start today, November 20th. It's going to renew on a monthly basis. We don't have any discounts set up yet. So review the bills and click Add. Now he has a membership. Now if you go to your financial tab, you'll see that you have a bill and it's due for $150. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up a payment profile for Charles so he can pay his bills. Click on him. Edit. Billing information. Create a new payment profile. Right now I'm just going to use a test MasterCard number. I'm going to skip card validation because it's a test card. And there we go. Now we have a credit card system in the system for Charles. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to approve a bill. This means that before any bills are sent out for payment processing, you get to approve them. It's one last check before they get sent off. And there's Charles' $150 bill. And we're going to feed the Rhino. He's hungry and he likes to eat payment processing. So some time will go by here. Let's say a couple hours, and the payment processing system will pick up that bill and send it off for payment. And you can see now, let's pretend a couple hours has gone by, the payment has been processed. So you've been paid the $150 by Charles, and all of this so far, we've only spent 5.5 minutes setting this up. You can check your payments right here. So essentially you have a schedule, you have students, you have a calendar, and you have all your memberships set up. The basics are all set up, and we haven't hit 6 minutes yet in the video, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to show you a couple more things here before our time is up. There's a financial reporting tab that shows that payment that was collected today. I'm going to go to the calendar and see that we have our classes, and we can sign Charles in and we can track his attendance. Very easy to do. Now if we click back there, he shows up. And then if we go back to his profile, so that's it. That's how you set up your gym in less than 6.5 minutes. Thank you for checking this out.